Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you beautiful garden decoration ideas. So viewers, let's start today's video. If you enjoyed your project, create a small fairy garden using tiny holes, pebbles and little plants. Fairy gardens are fun to make and add a magical touch to your outdoor space. Water feature also make garden feel peaceful. A small bird bath or decorative water bowl create a relaxing sound and attract bird and butterflies. Garden bench prove a comfortable place to sit and enjoy the beauty around you. Add soft outdoor cushions and colorful pillows to make the sitting area even more inviting. Vertical gardens are perfect for small space. Hang planters on a wall or use wooden plants to grow flower, herb or small vegetables. Vertical garden saves space while adding plant of greenery. And viewers, wind charm are another simple decoration that adds charm to any garden. Their gentle sound create a peaceful atmosphere whenever the wind blows. Decorative stones are easy to use in any garden. You can paint rocks with flower, butterfly, inspiration, wood or colorful patterns. Paint stones look beautiful around plants or along garden paths. And weavers wouldn't sing with the welcome message. And weavers, garden arch covered with the rose jasmine create a beautiful entrance. They add height, elegance and romantic touch to the garden. Outdoor lantern and candles make evening gathering feel cozy and relaxing. Place them on tables, hang them from tree branch to create a soft lighting. And weavers, my next idea is weavers, seasonal decoration also keep your garden looking fresh. All years in spring display colorful flowers. During summer use bright plant and outdoor cushions. Autumn brings pumpkins, warm colors and dry flowers. Winter decoration can include rotten evergreen plant and festive lighting. So friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.